Hello everyone and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Today's meditation is specifically designed to listen to during a full moon to help you release, let go of the unwanted. To work with the energies of the full moon to amplify your manifestations and your desires. We now call forth your guides, your angels, and your spiritual team to assist you today in this meditation. We invite their presence, their love, and we give them permission today to help us release, heal, and let go of anything that we are ready to surrender. And now let's set an intention for today. What are you ready to let go of? What pattern, programming, emotions, experiences are you ready to surrender, transform? And so let's declare it. Literally say out loud or in your mind. Today I invite the energies of this full moon to assist me, to help me heal and release. And now finish the sentence. What is it that you're ready to let go of? And now inviting your spirit to slowly begin to move away from your body. Inviting it now to float up, up, and up. As if you could look down and see yourself meditating in this moment. And giving yourself permission to go as high as you think or can, floating above the building or space that you're in, even higher now. Keep going, don't stop. You can go even further where you see your whole town or city. And through the clouds, going higher and higher, moving through until you can see the world, and finding yourself now in space, moving further and further away, getting closer and closer to the moon, finding yourself now gently and slowly moving towards the moon and away from Earth, connecting deeply, powerfully to the moon. Finding yourself now there, find a space to meditate, to connect with the energies of the moon, and letting go of the earth reality, the physical reality, completely surrendering to this new energy and frequency. And taking a moment now to look around, surrounded by the stars, the vast darkness, and the silver light of this moon. In its full power and glory. I give myself permission to be free, free from limitations, free from fears, free from self-doubt. Today I give myself permission to surrender, to be reborn, to try again and again, fearlessly, powerfully. And now just see this light of the moon surround you as you gently release those energies into the ground, letting it all go, shifting your own energy and frequency and inviting in this cleanse. Feeling your energy get lighter and clearer. Feeling yourself returning back to the beginning of what it used to be. Free, open, clear, loving. And now trusting anything else that you desire to do now. What does your imagination want you to do? Trust it. Let yourself be free here. There is no right or wrong. And finally, take a moment of gratitude. Thank the moon and your spiritual team for their blessings and for their love today. Gently and slowly letting go of this reality, letting yourself float back out into space, and gently returning back home to Earth. floating by the stars and seeing the planet getting bigger and bigger, heavier and heavier, breaking through the clouds, gently dropping down, down, down. And finally moving through your town or city, through the roof or space that you're in, and gently returning back to your body. And take a few deep breaths in to wake up the body. Deep breath in. Let it go. 2 more. Deep breath in. And let it go. Last one. Deep breath in. And gently return when you're ready and open your eyes.